Hello everyone, welcome back to Spanish Hut. So, how are you feeling today? Are you feeling excited? Oh, by the way, what we call excited in Spanish? Do you know? You don't know? Let's talk about it. And many other emotions that we are going through in our everyday life. So without wasting any time, let's just start our video of emotions in Spanish language. First is bored, aburrido, busy, ocupado, shy, tímido, tired, cansado, proud, orgulloso, excited, emocionado, scared, asustado, jealous, celoso, nervous, nervioso, confused, confundido, stressed, estresado, in love, enamorado, happy, feliz, sad, triste. So yeah, this is all about emotions in Spanish. Hopefully you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe Spanish Hut. Thank you.